Hey, so what is Terra Virtua? So recently is trending. So this website is basically a marketplace of collectibles. You can see more of these NFT marketplaces recently. I think it's one of those, but uh, yeah, Terra Virtua is not like a OpenSea or Rarible or Mintable app. It's more focused on like games and some merch from the biggest names in entertainment history. So yeah, you can buy some really cool digital assets from yeah, I guess either movies or games and all of that. So you can have uh, yeah you can there is also AR app. So you can have yeah, as well. There is an app on Windows PC, and you can display your 3D collectibles in customizable 3D environments. So that's kind of cool. So yeah, that's what I think is different, that you can have it displayed in like this AR 3D experience. So let's just move to it. So you can create an account easily, just a standard procedure. Then I guess you will need to add like a Terra wallet. Uh, so you can either add funds with your credit debit card. You can also connect your Ethereum wallet. Like you can add like MetaMask wallet. And then yeah, after that there is just like a marketplace here. So here you can see all the items. Of course, you can feature by top selling items. So for example, if you want to buy this, uh, and then yeah, you can view like figure 3D view. So yeah, you can just view and just play around. Maybe okay, because of internet connections, the resolution of course can be better and stuff, but that's kind of that. And then yep, and then you can just see all the metadata here. And then for example, you can just make an offer. So to make an offer, you need to connect to MetaMask or create a new account. So you need to install MetaMask plugin, which can be done in Google Chrome, for example. I think also in Safari. But yeah, just easily create MetaMask account and then it's added. So there you have it, and then you just have all this marketplace basically, and you can just purchase them similar as on other NFT marketplaces. So yeah, that's then you can see a dashboard, you can see inventory. Yep, so that's that. So collect token is a fuel of Terra Virtua. So yeah, you can see collect token address. There is also option to create an auction, and yep, you can just add some items to inventory and then you can auction them. So I think you can resell items here as well. So that's that. of course, you can, if you want to, you can delete your account from here, deactivate your account. And so that's about that. So try it out. Leave your reviews in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.